Hello everybody. Now we will discuss the question in which we will check whether the given relation, the relation which is given here only, is an equivalence relation or not. See, the question is check whether the relation are defined on the set. There is a set A, the element of set A is this one. So we are given is here, we are given set A, the element of this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we are supposed to check whether this relation means this R is equal to this order pair, B is equal to A plus 1 is an equivalence relation or not. So this is already, we know that to become an equivalence relation, the relation should be reflexive, should be symmetric as well as transitive. Should be means all these three relations should be there only. If it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive is there only, then the relation will be equivalence is there only. So look at here. So first of all, we are supposed to write the Cartesian product of A cross A. So if you will write A cross A, so you will get 1, 1, 1, 2, likewise 1, 2, 6. Similarly for this 2, 2, 1, we will write 2, 6. In short, I am writing 3, 1, 3, 6. In the same way, you will get last 6, 1, 6, 2 and 6, 6. This is your A cross A. But now we are supposed to check whether this is an equivalence relation or not. So first of all, we will check for reflexive. For the reflexive relation. See, for the reflexive relation is already, you know that there is a relation A to A. Means the element must have a relation with itself only. Then this A belongs to capital A. But to check this for the reflexive, we are supposed to write the relation first. You have to write the relation. So here I am going to write the relation first, then we will check. So first of all, what will be in R? R में क्या होगा? He is saying B means this second component should be equal to +1. A whatever is A, जो भी A है उसमें +1 पे B होना चाहिए. So suppose A is 1, B will be 2. A is 2, B will be 3. A is 3, B will be 4. A is 4, B will be 5. A is 5, B will be 6. If A is 6, B will be 7. But here is the 6, 7 is not here in this A cross A. This is not in A cross A. ये इसमें नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये इसमें नहीं आएगा. तो we are supposed to rub it this one only. This cannot be the, ये नहीं हो सकता क्यों? ये इसमें that element is not there, है ही नहीं, ये ऑर्डर पे है ही नहीं. So this is your relation. Now you are supposed to check. अब हमें क्या करना है? We are supposed to check this relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive or not. तो अब हम चेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज फॉर रिफ्लेक्सिव. रिफ्लेक्सिव के लिए चेक करेंगे. देखिए रिफ्लेक्सिव का कंडीशन क्या है? रिफ्लेक्सिव का दिस इज देयर ओनली. तो यू मस्ट चेक फॉर द दिस ऑर्डर पेयर. सी नाउ A R A means here is where A belongs to A. So if any one of the element you can take. Suppose 1 I am taking. 1 belongs to A. 1 is the element which belongs to this A. But A means this is A R A means what? You know this is A belongs to this R. This one. So but 1 does not belongs to R. This is the order pair is not here in this relation. Doublet is not given. It means therefore it is not reflexive. This is not reflexive. इसका मतलब ये reflexive नहीं है. This is not a reflexive. Similarly, have a look now. Okay. Now similarly we will check for symmetric. So here I am going to check for symmetric. For the symmetric is there. Second one for symmetric. So the condition you know A R B, B R A, where A B belongs to A. This is the condition to become a symmetric is already there. So you have to check here now. See 1, 2 belongs to R. 1, 2 belongs to R is here only. But you can add but 2, 1 does not belong to R. Because if AB belongs to R, then BA must also belongs to R to become a symmetric. Symmetrically कंडीशन क्या है कि अगर AB belong कर रहा है R को, तो BA ऑर्डर पेयर भी R को belong करना चाहिए. तो you are supposed to check for. तो अगर simply we are going to check for this one. अगर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पेयर के लिए हम चेक कर रहे हैं, 1 2 belong कर रहा है R को, but 2 1 is not here. 2 1 is not here. 2 1 is not here. So this is not. So therefore you can say it is not symmetric. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये सिमेट्रिक भी रिलेशन नहीं है. नाउ थर्ड वी विल चेक फॉर द ट्रांजिटिव. अब ट्रांजिटिव के लिए चेक करिए. फॉर ट्रांजिटिव, सी नाउ थर्ड इज फॉर ट्रांजिटिव. सो फॉर द ट्रांजिटिव इज नो ए हैव अ रिलेशन विद B have a relation with C, then A must have a relation with C to become a transitive is there. देखिए यहां पर 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 3 is also belongs to R, but अगर 1 2 belongs to R है, 2 belongs to 3 है, तो 1 3 must also belongs to R, but here is 1 3 is not here. देखो कहीं भी नहीं है. 1 3 does not belongs to R. It means therefore it is not transitive. It is not transitive relation. It means finally what you are getting. So what we are getting is here. Here is reflexive, no. Transitive, no. Sorry, symmetric and transitive, no. And if these three is not there, it means not equivalence relation. This one. Have a look. Okay, one more problem is there. There is a set A. The element of set A is x belongs to Z, where x is greater than equal to 0, less than 12. So your elements will be 0 to 12 is here. Something is already I have written here. And the relation is given this one. AB is the order pair where AB belongs to A, but the absolute of A minus B must be divided by 4. Means in this order pair it must be divided by 4 is there. And you have to check whether it is in equivalent relation or not. Number one. Second is saying find the set of all elements related to one. That is equivalence class we want to discuss. So need not to worry for the second one. We are giving the more emphasis on the equivalence relation. Equivalence relation तो हम ज़्यादा emphasis करेंगे. ये मैं discuss कर दूँगा कि related to one equivalence class कैसे निकालते हैं. That I discuss. देखिए. So let the element of set A is this one. This we will write A cross A 0 0 0 1 0 12. Similarly 1 0 1 1 likewise. These are the Cartesian product of A cross A. Now you want to check for the reflexive. Reflexive के लिए condition क्या होता है? If A small a belongs to this one, then A must also belongs to this R. Means there should be the doublet should be there. But he is saying condition क्या है कि A minus B divisible. तो अगर A belongs to R, it means A minus B means A minus A. B is also A. खुद का खुद से होता है. A is related to itself only. A minus A, what you will get 0, and 0 is always divided by any of the number. So it is divided by 4. So then you can say therefore it is reflexive. It is reflexive. Now we will check for symmetric. For symmetric. Symmetric के लिए देखिए, symmetrically AB belongs to R, then BA must also belong to R. Then it will be the symmetric. This is already you know that. तो AB अगर AB belongs to R है, तो what will be there? Means A minus B will be equal to what? Division by 4. It means A minus B will be equal to the multiple of 4. So you can write down for the whole convenience. Multiple of 4 है तो 4 के multiple में आएगा कुछ भी लिख दीजिए 4m 4x whatever you want to write. अब देखिए अगर मैं A minus B का एब्सोल्यूट लूं तब भी multiple of 4. अगर मैं B minus A I am doing then there is no problem. That will also be the multiple of 4 because whether you are doing the A minus B or the B minus A, that will be the equal is there. So that is 4n. From here what you will get 4n or you can say the 4m is there same. It means AB क्या था AB have a relation with the R. तो B minus A आ रहा तो क्या होगा BA is this one. It means इफ a माइनस बी द मल्टीपल ऑफ डिविजन बाई 4 है तो b माइनस ए भी डिविजन बाई 4 होगा, तो दैट इज गोइंग टू सेटिस्फाई द सिमेट्रिक इज देयर, सो देयरफॉर यू कैन से देयरफॉर इट इज सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन. सी नाउ द इंपॉर्टेंट इज हियर इन केस ऑफ द ट्रांजिटिव. ट्रांजिटिव में देखिए कंडीशन क्या होता है, ए बी हैव अ रिलेशन विद आर, बी विद सी, देन ए सी मस्ट हैव अ रिलेशन विद दिस वन, देन इट इज ट्रांजिटिव देयर. और ट्रांजिटिव को कैसे करेंगे, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज देयर. तो इसको मैं यहां से रब करता हूं, हियर ओनली लुक एट हियर, सी नाउ फॉर ट्रांजिटिव वी विल टेक फॉर ट्रांजिटिव, फॉर ट्रांजिटिव relation. See, AB belongs to R. This is there. It means what you will get? It means A minus B is equal to multiple of 4. That is division by 4. That will be multiple by 4 होगा. तो इसको हम ऐसा भी तो लिख सकते हैं, A minus B is equal to plus minus 4n. This is your equation 1. Similarly, BC R, it means B minus C is equal to multiple of 4. And this can be written as b minus c equal to plus minus 4n, because it may be the plus or minus, we don't know, that is there only, that is absolute you are taking. तो यहां से क्या मिला, a minus b equal to plus minus 4n, b minus c equal to, इन दोनों को सिंपल ऑलवेज ट्रांजिटिव क्या, इन दोनों को ऐड करिए, जस्ट ऐड, क्योंकि हमको क्या चाहिए, a minus c, भाई इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको क्या चाहिए, व्हाट एक्चुअली वी वांट a minus c is here, ठीक है. तो जस्ट ऐड 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, so what you will get, a minus b plus b minus c is equal to plus minus 4m plus minus 4m. देखिए b से b गया, आपको क्या मिला, a minus c is equal to plus minus 4, you can take out the common, m plus n. देखो a minus c is also divisible by 4, it means ac belongs to r. ये वाला कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो गया, it means that it is therefore it is transitive. It is transitive. This is your transitive. And if it is symmetric, पहला क्या था, reflexive हुआ, then symmetric, and then transitive. Transitive. It means yes, yes, and this is yes. So that is an equivalence relation. It means it is an equivalence relation. First. अब ये second part जो बोला है इसने, you have to find the set of all elements related to one. It means exactly what we want. We want equivalence class. उसको हम बोलते हैं equivalence class. Equivalence class. ठीक है. तो अगर कई बार क्वेश्चन आता है, you have to write the equivalence class of one. तो equivalence class of one कैसे निकालते हैं? Look at here. देखिए जरा यहाँ पर. See, for one only. तो इसको हम ऐसा लिखते हैं, दिस इज, ये इक्विवेलेंस क्लास फॉर द एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट ए है, इज नॉट अ ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन, ध्यान रखिएगा. दिस इज इक्वल टू होता है 1a सच दैट, ये एलिमेंट यहां आएगा, फिर यहां दूसरा एलिमेंट आएगा, इनका डिफरेंस a माइनस दिस वन, a is 1, b is a, x y z whatever you want to do you can take, is divisible by what, by 4. ये डिविजन बाई 4 होना चाहिए. डिविजन बाई 4 मीन्स इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो a क्रॉस a था उसमें से 1 में से हम क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, इज हियर ओनली, एंड दैट शुड बी डिविजन बाई 4. तो आपको देखिए क्या होगा, 1 1 डिविजन बाई 4 हो जाएगा, 0 1 9 माइनस 8 प्लस 8, और 9 से इससे पहले 5 भी तो आएगा, 1 5, दैट विल बी डिविजन बाई 4 एंड 1 9. दिस वन आपके एलिमेंट्स क्या हैं, 0 से लेकर 12 तक. तो 1 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देखो, तो 1 में से 0 करेंगे, 1 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 4, 1 1 0 डिविजिबल बाई हो गया, ये 4 डिविजिबल हो गया, दिस इज. तो देयर आर द 3 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर, 1 5 एंड 9, दीज आर द 3 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर. तो इसको हम बोलते हैं इक्विवेलेंस क्लास ऑफ 1 इज, इक्विवेलेंस क्लास ऑफ 1 क्या हो गया, एलिमेंट्स 1 5 1 5 and 9. This is there. Have a look. Okay, one more problem is there. If let R be the relation on n cross n defined by this is AB. देखिए this is the relation है AB have a relation with CD, so that is A plus D extreme plus means B plus C. This is, you can say A plus D is equal to B plus C is there. This is the relation is there only. For all AB, CD belongs to n cross n, then you are supposed to show that it is an equivalence relation is there. Even already I have written here only, so you can understand. Here we are given R is the relation on n cross n defined by this one. AB related with this one. So A added D के साथ B with C. This is the relation there for every belongs to this one. और now reflexive के लिए is already. यहाँ difference is here. This AB and BA. Actually what we are saying, this is we are saying A R A. For every A belongs to A is there only. This is means what we are here will also be the AB not BA. This is AB is there. See means ये यहाँ ये क्या, this is an element था. Now here the this is your order pair. This is working as an element. ये as a treat element की तरह करो. But this इसमें relation करेंगे तो क्या देखो, what you will get? You will get A plus B will be equal to B plus A. भाई देखो ये condition already आएगी. A plus B is equal to B plus, because there the natural number is there. तो मैं 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1. तो ये A plus A this is there. We are writing A plus A plus B is equal to B plus A. We are writing is here only. इसमें थोड़ा correction है. हाँ ठीक है, so right, no problem. Because A plus B, because this is the natural number is there only. That's why need not to worry. Means they are equal is there. Means itself. तो ये एक element खुद के साथ में this is there only. So you will see that what you will get. A is equal to B is there. Means 2A plus 2B. That is A is equal to B. So this is the relation we are getting. So it means this is the reflexive. यहाँ as an element ये क्या है? These are the order pairs there only. So itself A plus B, B plus A. By using this one, this relation is there. So this is, you can say, the reflexives there only. Have a look. Now for symmetric is there. Let AB have a relation with CD is there. Then AB or CD will be equal to A plus D is equal to B plus C. This can be written as C plus B is equal to D plus C, because these all are the natural numbers there only. So one A plus B or B plus C you are adding, there's no problem. So that you will get CD have a relation with AB is there. These are working as an element. So here AB related to CD and this is related to itself only AB. Then you can see for every this belongs to n cross n is there only, because natural numbers Cartesian product है इसलिए. So then you can say it shows that R is symmetric is there. Have a look. Okay. Now for the transitive is there. So let AB have a relation with CD and CD with EF. Then you are supposed to create a relation. Then AB with EF is there. So AB are CD and CD are EF. This can be written A plus D is equal to B plus C and is C plus F is equal to D plus C. You can add them. A plus D plus C plus F is equal to B plus C plus D plus C. So this B, D and C is cancel out. Here you are getting A plus F is equal to B plus C. That can be written as AB have a relation with EF is there. So finally what you are getting, if AB have a relation with CD, CD with that EF here, then you are getting the relation AB have a relation with EF is there only. So then you can see it is transitive. So finally what you are getting, then reflexive yes, and symmetric is also yes, then transitive is also yes, and if these three are there only, then you can say it is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation is there. Have a look.